Hey there, and welcome to Integromat. Integromat is a workflow integration tool that allows you to connect your Shopify account to hundreds of ready-made apps or to any API through our generic modules to automate simple or complex tasks. Today, I'll show you how to create a connection between Shopify and Google Sheets to create a scenario using our visual scenario builder. A scenario is what we call a workflow automation or integration on Integromat. This is the scenario builder. I'll create a scenario that retrieves orders in my Shopify store and adds the details of the orders to a Google Sheet. To begin, I'll first search for the Shopify app and select the trigger that will start the scenario. In this case, it's when there are new orders in my store. Now I need to add or select a connection to Integromat. After entering the required credentials, Integromat will be granted access to my Shopify account. Now, I'll leave the Open option selected, and under Financial Status, I'll select Paid. I'll leave the fulfillment status as Any. And I want to retrieve a maximum of 5 orders every time the scenario runs. Next, I'll search for the Google Sheets app and select an action that I want to perform, which is to add the orders as new rows on the sheet. Like with Shopify, I just need to add or select an existing connection and grant Integromat some permissions to access my account. I can now select the spreadsheet and sheet that I want to add the orders to. Here you can see that all the columns appear which match the ones I've created on the sheet. All I need to do now is drag and drop the data like the date, customer's name, product, and so on from Shopify to these fields. Awesome. The scenario is fully configured, so let me save it. To test it, let's first create some orders on Shopify. Now I'll click the Run Once button and watch the magic happen. So the scenario executed successfully, and here you can see that 5 orders were retrieved from Shopify and added to the sheet. All I need to do now is switch the scenario on by toggling the switch here, and I'm good to go. But it doesn't stop there. Let's say I want to send an email when new orders are added to the sheet. With Integromat, you can build scenarios with simple routes for all types of workflow automations. You can connect as many apps as you want and even set up filters on the routes to only allow specific data to pass through to other modules. To top it off, you can even add directives that will take care of any errors that may occur during a scenario execution. So go ahead and create your first scenario and experience the power of workflow automation. Happy automating!